so I am going to be making a henna gloss. So let me show you the powders that I'm going to be using. So this is my henna right here. I also put some marshmallow root just to add some slip to my conditioner. I added some hibiscus powder because that is supposed to help with balancing the pH of your scalp and imparting moisture. And I also added some amla just because amla is very conditioning and it goes really well with henna. Kind of acts to counteract the extra strengthening properties of henna. So I put those together. I didn't really measure out anything, just kind of eyeballed it, and these are the products, or the powders, sorry, that I'm going to be adding to my henna gloss. So of course I'm just gonna dump everything in there. And here I have some coconut milk just to add to the strengthening properties of the mask. And just gonna throw that in. And this is just a personal preference, but I like to mix my Ayurvedic powders with plastic or glass utensils. And so I'm just gonna mix everything together. Alright, so now that everything is nice and incorporated, because this is a henna gloss, you do want to go ahead and leave it overnight, or at least for 4 to 6 hours, to let the lotion dye kind of be infused into the mixture that you have here, and that is what gives the strengthening properties. It also adds a bit of a tint to your hair, so if you are not somebody who is wanting to alter the color of your hair, then maybe cassia might be a better option for you if you're looking for an Ayurvedic strengthening herb. But I'm just going to be using henna. I have dark hair, so it doesn't really make a difference to me. But I'm going to cover this with some cling wrap and let it sit for, like I said, either 4 to 6 hours or overnight if you can. It's been a few hours later and I'm ready to use my henna gloss. And just remember, the henna does stain, so you're going to want to use gloves with this when you're handling it. But this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it got a lot more red as the lotion dye has kind of like infused into this mixture. So I'm going to be using this as the base of my henna treatment. You guys saw, if you watched my deep conditioner review, you saw that I didn't really particularly like this one. It doesn't really have that much slip, and so I'm going to be using this just to kind of use it up, and I know that the other great ingredients in it would help to boost what this deep conditioner lacks on its own, basically. So since I don't really have that much in it, I'm just going to mix everything into this container instead of dating another. So I'm literally just going to mix this in, and if there are any extras, I am just going to freeze them up, maybe in some ice cubes or something, and use them at another time. I don't want to make the mixture too runny, so let me see how this goes. Mix and add until you get to the consistency that you want your henna mask or henna gloss to be. As you guys can see, it's a nice rich kind of chocolate cake batter consistency or texture, and I think this is good here. It's nice and loose enough to apply nicely to my hair, but still thick enough. So I think I'm gonna stop right here. Look at how creamy that looks. Love it. Hey guys, so you guys just saw me finish mix up my henna gloss, and so I'm just going to take on my hair. This is how I had it to sleep. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that recently I've been saying that I want to try to keep my hair stretched even going to sleep. So this was just something quick that I could have put in my hair just to avoid my hair shrinking up on itself. So and look how easy it's out. And my hair actually still feels moisturized from earlier in the week, which is great. I tell you, like, plaiting your hair really does something for like moisture retention. I wish I had found this sooner. But anyways, all of my hair is out. And this is what we're starting with. My hair actually still, like I told you guys, still feels moisturized, still feels soft. But I sweat so much this week during my workouts that I know it is dirty as hell. So going to go ahead and start washing.
So different, cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do, figuring out what to say, cause it's so new. But you've been so patient, and I appreciate it. Wish I didn't get like this, and I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you. I can get nervous when I got no reason to be.
Now y'all, let me be all the way real. I honestly forgot how henna makes your hair feel, and I'm not loving the feeling of my hair right now. If it would focus, there you go. So I think I'm going to add some glycerin just to add a little bit more of a moisturizing element, and then go ahead and apply throughout the rest of my hair. Because I mean, my hair doesn't feel bad, but I definitely underestimated how henna would make my hair feel. It's been a while.
And I don't know why I overthink like I do. But it all seems to go away when I'm with you.
Oh, that feels so much better. Feels so much better already with just a little bit of glycerin added to it. Also, not me telling you guys that you should wear gloves when dealing with henna, and I completely forgot. And yo, this is high porosity problems. Like, you guys know I just came out of the shower not too long ago. How is my hair almost dry? I don't understand.
Baby, you're so different, cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do, figuring out what to say, cause it's so new.
So I'm going to go ahead and leave this in my hair for like an hour. I'm gonna put on a shower cap and let the henna and all of the other Ayurvedic herbs do its thing. Then I'm going to come back and rinse it out. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I am back. Whew. Going to have to wash this, but my hair has been soaking up the henna gloss goodness for a little over an hour. It's been a while since you guys last saw me. If this thing would come out of my head. Oh, I could feel the heat coming off my hair. Alright, there we go. My hair feels so good. Definitely feels strengthened, but it's still very, very soft. Could definitely feel all of the heat that was being trapped. But yeah, my hair feels good though. You know, I wish I could get rid of this shelf, like these steps in my hair. Oh, can't wait for the top half of my hair to grow. But anyways, I'm going to hop into the shower now and rinse this out, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts.
Like I do, but it all seems to go away when I'm with you. With you, with you.
Hey guys, so I am back out of the shower, as you guys could tell, and y'all, taking my henna. Like, this is my hair without any product at all, like fresh out of the shower. Like, wow. And my hair feels so soft, like it feels strong, but it also feels really soft at the same time. Like, look at these curls, yo. Look at my hair. Like, this is with no product added. My scalp is super clean. My hair feels good. It looks good. Like, ooh, y'all can't tell me nothing. I think I was debating for a while in the shower as to if I should go ahead and do like a final rinse with like a rinse out conditioner, because usually with henna treatments they tend to be very drying on the hair, but honestly I didn't. Like, I stood in the shower for a while and I was like, do I even need it? I was like, no, my hair, because I didn't do like a straight henna treatment, a henna mask, my hair still feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry at all or anything like that. I was just thinking about doing it out of habit, but because I did more of a gloss, it gave the right moisture protein balance, which I'm super excited about. So yes guys, that is it. So yeah guys, that is it. I'm going to go ahead and style my hair, but that is a completely separate video. So if you guys like this type of content, then definitely hit the thumbs up button. If you've ever done a henna treatment or like a henna gloss, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you've gotten to this point in the video and you're not yet subscribed, sis or sir, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss future uploads. Plus, it would help me out so much on my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the very next video. Take care. Bye.